it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Wantable unboxing and try on. Wantable is a clothing subscription service. If you're not familiar, they do accessories as well. I'm pretty sure I've gotten shoes too. So it's 20 bucks every single time you get a box. I get a box once a month. They do add tax to that, so I believe it's like $21.60 that debits out of my account every time I get one of these boxes. Cash is eating a bone behind me, FYI, if you hear something weird. So I have 7 things in my box this month. Scott is my stylist. I'm pretty sure he's been my stylist for a while. Wantable also has this thing called the stream. It's this like long, never-ending list of things that Wantable thinks you'll like based on your style preferences. All you do, go to the website, log in, and click the stream at the top, and you can like scroll through and request certain things. It doesn't look like I got anything that I requested in this box. However, to be fair, I don't remember the last time that I actually visited the stream and like picked things out. So the first thing that I want to show you is my favorite thing in the entire box. It's this like snakeskin printed tee. It's from the brand Love and Legend in a size 2X. I don't know what's gotten into me lately. It used to be leopard print. Now it's this like snakeskin print. So this actually fits really well. I love the V-neck. I love the sleeve length, the length of the actual tee. I have nothing bad to say about it. The pattern obviously is something that I'm super into. The only negative, I have a t-shirt or a tee that's almost identical to this. So this is the one that I already own. It is V-neck. It is a little bit different. It's got cuffs on the sleeves. The material is different. I got this from Chic Soul. It's the brand Flamingo. Pretty sure it's in a size 2X. I wore this one the other day, so I love this one as well. But here they are, side by side. This one does have maybe a little more gray, and this has maybe a little more tan in it. You can kind of see the difference on camera. So while I don't need this tee and I won't keep it because I have one that's almost identical, I do really like it, and I'm kind of sad that it was the only thing that I really cared for in the box because I own something exactly like this. Next top we're going for is this green, actually really pretty green colored, like soft material crew neck, but it's got this tie on the side, which is like perfect. I would prefer it on the side versus in the front. This is the brand Rebel Wilson. It's in a size 2X. It's short and it's a little bit snug. At first when I put it on, I hated it. I'm being honest with you. I thought it's ill-fitting, it's like clingy. I like the tie, it's just a little bit too short. And then I thought, haven't I been looking for tops exactly like this? Like how cute would this be with those black joggers that I just kept from Nordstrom? No, from Trunk Club. Well, Nordstrom. They're the Caslon brand and I'm not really sure what to wear with them. This would be so cute with some like white sneakers, those white Vans that I kept as well. So this could actually be really cute, and I could appreciate the fact that it is a little bit shorter because it could go with those clothing, like those bottoms, that I'm not really sure what to pair with. The next top we have is from the Lucky brand. I knew there was something in here. This is in a size 2X. It's almost this like paisley printed top. It's very comfortable. It actually fits really well, and it's got a different kind of fabric down there on the bottom. You can tell this pattern is just not something that I would wear. I don't think it looks that great on me. It's just, I don't know, I'm kind of a more like solids, not real. I mean, I don't know what I am, but this is just, I mean, I don't really care for it that much. I do like the fit of it and the fabric and everything. I just wish that it were solid. I said that too as I tried it on earlier. Had this been a solid color, maybe like a pale yellow or a purple, like lavender color, I think I would have kept it. I really like the fit, but the pattern I could do without. Now let's talk bottoms. The first ones we have are Vigos, I'm not really sure how to say it. These are in a size 20, I'm pretty sure. They say Marley, super skinny, but these are a little bit different. So they have this raw hem with a slit, and then they've got these like pinhead details, I guess. What would you call this? I'm not sure what to call it. This is really cute. However, I don't know if they're meant to be that short. They're quite a bit short on me, and they kind of flare out a little bit where this slit is open. So in my opinion, it kind of just looks a little off. Like, I feel like they should be an inch, maybe 2 inches longer. But other than that, I love these jeans. They're a perfect fit. I like the little bit of distressing on them. I like the color. I like that they're a little bit high-waisted. They come above my belly button. You'll see another pair I have in here are low-rise. What would you call them? Low-rise? These say mid-rise, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Marley mid-rise, super skinny, luxe stretch. And they are soft, they do stretch, and they feel really nice. But let me know if the length looks a little bit off. So these were the other jeans I just mentioned. They're also Vagos in a size 20. These are called the Jagger Classic Fit Skinny, no distressing. Am I lying? Nope, I'm telling the truth. Okay, no distressing, dark wash. They are super skinny, they're a great length, they're low rise, and they don't button. So I did try them on because they fit everywhere else. I just can't get the button to button. So had they been maybe a size larger, I think that they would have been fine. But also on the same note, I don't really need any more jeans like this. I just went through and got rid of so many jeans. So I don't need to start just stockpiling them again unless there's something that I don't really own that's a little bit different than what's already in my closet. So last pair of bottoms we have are these super cute, like black and white diamond pattern. They're from the brand MICHEL Studio. They're called the Alexa Crop Straight Leg Pantacourt Jam. I don't really know what that says. They're in a size 20. There's no button, no zip. They're elastic in the waist and they just slide up. They fit good. They're really cute. The zipper pocket is fake. Like, it actually unzips, but there's no pocket. Like, that's a deal breaker for me. There's also no pockets on the back. I would wear these for work. However, as I'm holding them up now, how cute with a little white top for whatever you want to wear them to. Like, if you have something that's a little bit dressier, like I have a baby shower coming up. Okay, these might be kind of cute for that. However, I was looking at the price and I believe these were $66, and this brand I know I have seen at TJ Maxx. So it makes me wonder if I could find them cheaper elsewhere. And the very last thing in my box is this cute little clutch purse. It's from the brand SONDRA Roberts Squared. It is $48. It's called the PEYTON Wristlet Crossbody Navy, so there must be a strap in here. I like this color, but something about it is a little bit dull for me. Like, I would almost want it a little bit brighter of a blue. I like the gold hardware on it. This just kind of turns and pops open and you unzip it. It's actually pretty big on the inside. It's got several little pockets, compartments. That must be the strap there. Oh yeah, and you would hook it right there. How cute. So y'all know that I've kept quite a few bags very similar to this. I've got black, camel colored, light tan. I do have a yellow one. So I, a while ago, mentioned like, hey, maybe I could get one in each color. I don't need one in each color. That's how it happens. That's how things just like get piled up in my closet. All right, so let's talk prices now. The total for everything in my box is $413. How Wantable works, if you keep 5 or more items, you get 25% off, I'm pretty sure. I like that most of these subscription boxes give you that nice incentive too, a discount, if you purchase more than a couple of items or a few items. All right, so unfortunately, I don't think that I'm going to keep anything. I did kind of have second thoughts about those MICHEL Studio black and white pants because they would be really pretty for a special occasion like that baby shower that I've got this month. However, I think I can find them more affordable somewhere else. So I think this go round, I'm going to end up sending everything back. I would have kept that snakeskin printed top had I not had one. Almost exactly like it. So that is a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. What I will do and what I do in all of these like clothing try-on videos, I'll leave a direct link to sign up for Wantable if you're interested, but I'll also go online and try to find these pieces individually. That way, if you see something you like, you can buy it without having to subscribe to Wantable. And my measurements are also in the description box to kind of give you an idea of what size you may need compared to what size I try on. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.